Okay, London session done. In London, I look at gold, oil, DE30, and UK100. Took one trade on UK100, and let's get to it. UK100, no signal day, but the monthly, weekly, daily breakout levels are all bearish. We faked out previous month high last month, so we're coming down on the monthly levels, and we broke out below previous week low. It's a breakout week, so I'm looking for high of the day sales to continue to move down. So coming into London Open at 2 p.m. Jakarta time, price had pumped up, faked out the daily open, faked out the H8 high, and we have an M15 bearish breakout bar that took out the last M15 bullish breakout bar. That tells me that this M15 is now bearish. One thing I didn't like though is that as London opened, I was waiting for a pump up to take out the high of this H1, but instead it actually pushed down. But then later on, it came back up, pulled back on the M1, pulled back and faked out the M5 high right here with a fake out bar, and then continued its move down. And so that's when I decided to enter. I did want to see how London Open played out first before I entered straight off of this M15 bar. Price faked out the M5, I think somewhere up here, but I did wait until price got below the H8 high and below the M15 low. And so I entered like this, stop loss high of the day, targeting the fake out level of yesterday. So I like everything about the trade. The higher time frames are all bearish. Um, we have the H8 breakout level here, so we've already flipped that. Um, Liked everything about it, but I did not like how it faked out the previous day low yesterday. So this is a most recent piece of price action. And so this is a daily move. I don't like to go against a daily move unless I have a lower time frame fake out. So the H8 high fake out, this negates this move. And this is why I was able to enter after this H8 fake out. So I'm always looking for lower time frames to tell me where momentum is headed. And to reverse a daily move, I'm looking for an H8 fake out. And that's why I entered this one. So yeah, this is the only trade I took today in London. There's CPI later on. I don't want to take, usually on news days, price can get a little funky. So I might get caught in this, or it might continue on. I don't know. But if I get taken out, that's okay. I'm just gonna shut off the charts and not look for anything else. And yeah, that's it. So I opted for UK100 over DE30 because DE30 did not fake out the H8 high. The other thing about DE30 is that it did. Most recently, it faked out the previous week low. Yesterday, it faked out previous week low. So that's not really a good sign for me to take this down. Again, if I'm looking to reverse a weekly move, I'm looking for a lower time frame fake out. To reverse a weekly move, I'm actually looking for a daily fake out. So did not want to trade this one. UK100 did not fake out the previous week low, did not touch it. So that's why I opted for UK100. Did not see anything on gold. Everything is bullish. Ended up missing a nice breakout setup here, but it's not really my preferred price action. So technically, it's a missed setup, but it's not something that I would easily see with the way that I usually trade. And I'm not going to take any counter trends yet today. Like I said, CPI news later in New York. I'm not going to um, be aggressive in Asia or London. Oil, I was looking for a fake out of the H8 high over here. Did not do that, continued up. And I actually thinking of dropping oil for London. I was looking at my results past few months, and I noticed that I take a lot of the losses that I take in London are actually oil. So I feel that I might just drop oil in London and just focus on oil in New York. But still collecting some data on that. Yeah, so that's it. Only UK100. I did look at the forex pairs. Took this Aussie CAD one in Asia. I exited as it faked out the H8 high. I was close enough to my target, so I did exit already. I'm not in this anymore. Did my watch list on London, but honestly, I did not look at forex pairs at all. I just focused on the indices. Let me see. I don't think I missed anything, anyways. Yeah, yeah. Did not look at forex. I just focused on UK100, and that is it. Now we'll be waiting for news to play out in New York, and that's it.